Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello bilingual ears. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is najelaa zaira hakim. I'm from 9.3 and my attendance number is 27. So, today we're gonna study math and learning about algebra. First of all, let I explain about the definition of algebra. Algebra is a branch of mathematics whose discussion focuses on simplifying and solving problems using a replacement symbol in the form of constant and variable because this science can be said to be a branch of mathematics which include number theory, geometry, and algebraic theory in research. This knowledge can be used to solve problems in everyday life. This can be seen very clearly in the era of online buying and selling. Parents even use it when giving their children pocket supplies for school. This knowledge has many benefits in everyday life, and this is certainly an advantage if learned. According to KBBI, algebra is a branch of mathematics that use sign and letter to provide representatives or representation of number. For example, A, B, C, and also D are substitutes for the known number x, y, z. Algebra is the science of arithmetic which has many benefits in life, especially in making it easier to solve several problems. This knowledge began to be taught to students in junior high school and more precisely entering grade 7. The limit of the algebraic function are usually in simple form such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and also division. It is hoped that learning this knowledge from an early age will enable them to apply it in everyday life. Now here we go to the way to calculate algebra. Addition and subtraction in the science addition and subtraction can only be done if they are used on the base the same term or in one type. To calculate addition and subtraction in algebra, you have to use example of limit of algebraic function because otherwise it will be difficult to understand properly and correctly. Here is an example. 4x add by 9 or 6y plus 3y plus 2x equal to 4x add by 2x add by 3y add by 6y equal to, and this time the two sides will be add together, but first of all they will to addition firstly. An example of this reducing of knowledge: 5x minus 3x minus 4y equal to 2x minus 4y. How to calculate algebraic multiple for this multiplication science? The existence of each constant can be done by multiplying the coefficient of each variable, like 4xy times 5 equal to 20y. Well, there is algebraic multiplication where the variable is multiplied as a whole, either coefficient or variable, then it becomes 5yz times z equal to 5yz2. How to calculate algebraic division? To know this division of knowledge easier to calculate, it must first by convert into fraction. Example of dividing variable with constant such as 5x and 5. The example of dividing variable with variable. Then we must learn about the linear algebra. One type of science is linear algebra, which is a type of algebra that discusses systems of linear equations and their solution, vectors, and linear transformation. Science that is closely related to linear algebra is matrix and also in their operation. Algebra linear is very closely related to system of linear equation. So I think enough for this time material. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.